Our final letter is ya. 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 Here we have ya at the beginning of the word, ya in the middle of the word, and ya at the end of the word. And let's take a look at some examples for ya. So here we have yed, hand, ya at the beginning, ya in the middle with zait, which means oil, and ya at the end with kursi, yed, zait, kursi. Each of these has the ya in the word. And boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, we have learned all of our letters officially. So all I want you to do right now is practice repeating the sounds. You need to get the sounds on point, but also you need to be able to identify the three forms of each letter, because this will make your life easier. You don't have to have it memorized, just be able to tell when you look at it what's the difference between each one. Like, this is a yeah, right? It has two dots at the bottom. But if the two dots were up top, it would be ta. If there was one dot at the bottom, it would be ba. You just need to remember these simple rules to be able to distinguish between each one. And I promise this will be really, really easy. So again, if you're struggling with any of the sounds, go back, practice repeating them. Practice writing them. This is the hardest part, is learning the sounds and learning the letters. But once you get past that, you're going to see how easy the reading is and how fun the writing is, because it really is. All right. I will see you in the next portion.